Hey guys, so this video is going to be an overview of my new Undated planner and I'm really excited about it. It's actually a combination of some of the most popular items in my shop. So I used the layout from the Undated monthly inserts as a base. I incorporated the tabs and other design elements from my digital notebooks. I added weekly planning pages inspired by the Dated planner and I improved some of the bonus pages, so a lot of those are new. But first things first, I'm going to go into the files that are included with your purchase. For GoodNotes users, you have these two files to choose from. And for non-GoodNotes users, you have this zip file. And so this is what the inside of those looks like. The upside to using the GoodNotes files is that they retain all of the outline elements and the stickers. So they're all pre-sized and they're ready to go. All you have to do is copy and paste them. But if you don't use GoodNotes, I also included the planner PDF, all of the PNG stickers, and then this empty sticker book PDF. So you would just import this into your annotation app of choice, and then you can import the stickers into it. Now onto the planner. So this is what the cover looks like before customizing it. And just as a reminder, to use the hyperlinks or to be able to click on them, just make sure that your pen tool is turned off. So if you see this little toolbar right here, that means that it's turned on. So to turn it off, just click this icon in the top right corner. Now, the way that the months are structured is that you have a monthly view, a weekly view, your monthly dashboard, and a quick note page. So for the monthly view, this is what it looks like. And I developed a system for myself while I was in school because my schedule was pretty hectic and it varied from day to day. So what I like about this is that you can zoom in really close and you can add in a lot of detail, but you can also zoom out and still get a good idea of what you have going on for every day of the month. From there, if you need some additional space to break things down, you also have these weekly pages. So for example, you can use the monthly view for hourly scheduling and then the weekly view for individual tasks or assignments. And another way is if there are different areas of your life that you want to keep separate, you can use the monthly view for work, school, or some large projects. And then you can use the weekly pages for fitness or home organization or something like that. There's also this area in the top that you can use to jump from week to week. So all you have to do is just click on the week number. And if you want to jump back to the month, just click in the top left corner. Now for the monthly dashboard, you can access this from any page in the planner by clicking on the shading on the outer edge of the tab. So this is what it looks like up close. So just clicking the outer corner and that leads you to this page. On the left you have some habit trackers and on the right is a gridded area. So you can use this for additional tracking, for journaling, and you can also change up this layout using some stickers in the sticker book. You can also turn it into like a project planning page, and I show you how to do that in these sticker book videos, so feel free to watch that one next. And then before I started working on this planner, I surveyed some customers who were using the Undated monthly inserts for ideas that I could incorporate. And one of them recommended adding more brain dump pages, and that's where this quick note feature came from. So to access it, all you have to do is click at the top of the page, and that leads you to this quick note page. And the idea behind this is that if you need to jot down an idea, or if you want some space to organize everything before adding it into your planner, you can just use this page instead of going into the notes section in the back of this planner, and that way it just reduces the chances of your thoughts getting lost and, you know, some things falling through the cracks. All of these pages you can access also from the Year at a Glance page. So at the top of the mini calendar, that will lead you to the monthly view. Each of these rows will link to a weekly view. On the left hand side is the monthly dashboard, and below it is the quick note page. The goal section is going to be right here, so just click on that flag. So I included two worksheets up at the top. This first one is a Wheel of Life chart, and this helps you compare your satisfaction levels in the different areas of your life. So after you fill this out, you would choose an area that you want to improve to help guide you while setting your goals. The next is a brain dump page, so you can use this in conjunction with the Wheel of Life chart, or you can just jump straight into it. On the left, you would just write down all of the goals, you would just brainstorm them, and then on the right, you would go back and list whether it's something that you want to achieve in 3 months, 1 year, 3 years, or in your lifetime. For your actual goals, you have 2 pages for each, both of which you can access from this overview page. So just click this for the first page, and then just click the outer edges for that second page. The first one is where you'd write out the details of your goal, so your motivations, rewards, etc. If you need a little more space than what's provided here, you also have another quick note page. So same thing, you just click the top of the page and there we go. Kind of unnecessary, but you have it there if you need it. The second page is going to be this break it down sheet. You would list your sub goals, and you can break it down to individual tasks that you would then add these into your planner. If you have more than 2 sub goals, go ahead and click up in the thumbnails, and then right below the page, just click on this little arrow and then you can duplicate it. For the bonus pages, those are going to be on the year at a glance page as well. So I'll just do a quick overview of each of them. First one is a daily plan page if you need some breaking down or if you need a little more structure when it comes to scheduling out your day. To add this between the weeks, all you have to do is, so you would just copy this page, click select, and copy. And then go to the week that you're on, add page after, and then you would just paste page. Next is a pomodoro tracker, a budget tracker with space to track your transactions. This is a project breakdown sheet, so this is one of my favorites. A mind map page. This is just a blank page. Some line note paper, grid note paper, and dot grid note paper. You also have some linked sections. So these sections, these are just like the digital equivalent of a folder or a divider in a notebook. So you could, for example, have a dedicated project folder, and then right after this page you would just add in a bunch of project planning pages. These right here are linked pages. So if you have something that you want to be able to refer back to that you only need 1 page of, then that's what I would recommend this for. That's pretty much it for the planner. If you have any requests for customization, say if you want to change these links on the side of the tab and you want it to link instead to like a project planning page, just let me know. That's something that I can really easily change. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Etsy or Instagram.